is coming for you. Can't it? Karma will come for you. Into lerara. You want to be the only one to enjoy it. Karma is coming for you. Polygamy is for people with empathy. It is meant for intentional man. It is not for ordinary person. It is meant for exceptional people. People that has a big heart. People that forgiveness is in their dictionary. It is not for everyone. Polygamy is not for everyone. It is not. When you see Iyawo Jagomolu, first wife, you will know she's an exceptional woman. You will know. You will know she was created to make people happy. You will know she's not cabinet. You will know she has a plain heart. Polygamy o se fún wo lórí burúkú tó ti wà miserable tẹ́lẹ̀. As someone that has a good heart, that have forgiving spirit, polygamy kò ní le bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe rò pé ó le yẹn. It is not meant for wicked people. It is not meant for olórí burúkú people. It is meant for people. It is not for bitter soul. Unfortunately, àwọn obìnrin tán lọ sínú polygamy, àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ polygamy ni, tán lọ sí second wife, third wife. Ibi tí problem ti wà nìyẹn. Àwọn obìnrin tí wọ́n fẹ́, àwọn jealous, bitter people, àwọn nan lọ fẹ́ lọ sí second, third wife. Wọ́n máa ẹ mọ̀ tá ṣe, wọ́n máa fẹ́ lọ bá yí ara wọn jẹ́. Nítorí pé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe sùúrù, ẹ lọ wò wọ́n. Àwọn obìnrin, jealous people, people with pain, people with jealousy, they are the one tí married man wọ́n wúlò. So yẹ kí n tí ìwọ rẹ̀ ó máa wò jẹ́ tí bá ipò lórí burúkú ni ẹ. In tó jẹ́ ìwọ fún ẹ, tó jẹ́ ìwọ, ṣé kò yẹ kó rí kó lè dànù. You cannot stand your man with another woman. You now went to settle down with a man that already has a woman. Ṣé kìí ṣe pé ó ti ya wèrè bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Àbí ó ti ní mental problem? Àbí nǹkan tí ń ṣorí ẹ? How can you be a second, third wife and be a jealous woman? Make it make sense to me. They cannot respect anybody because they don't want to see èyí tán bá ń bẹ̀ wọ́n fẹ́ kó kú àbí kó láìsàn lá. That is why they cannot respect the one they met. Èyí tán tó bá ń bẹ̀ ibi kó kú ni tàbí kí wọ́n sọ pé nǹkan ṣe kó fi já wọn nìkan náà wà ń bẹ̀. Mission tán fi lọ bẹ̀ nìyẹn. Gbogbo yín pátá lẹ jẹ ìyà Ọlọ́run. Gbogbo yín pátá tẹ́ mọ̀ pé you have bitterness in your soul, you have pain in your soul, you are a jealous woman, ẹ wá lọ fẹ́ married man. Gbogbo yín pátá ni ìyà Ọlọ́run ó jẹ.
So ẹ̀yin èèyàn mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ Ojú Abẹ nínú fídíò tí ẹ ṣe wò tán yìí, ẹ ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí Ojú Abẹ sọ nípa àwọn tó ń fẹ́ married man tàbí tí wọn kò fẹ́ married man. Kí ni ohun tí ẹ lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ojú Abẹ nínú fídíò yìí?
Ẹ máa retí ìyà Ọlọ́run by the federal torí ẹni tó wà ń bẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀gbà tó débẹ̀ bọ̀ nínú ọkàn yín bí kó parẹ́ ni. Gbogbo yín pátá ni ìyà Ọlọ́run ó jẹ lẹ́ẹ̀ni bọ́nú wàhálà ilé ayé. Arise.